In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve the DNS probe finish NX domain error, which might look something like this, whether you're facing this on mobile app or the desktop version of browser. We are going to see some of the quick solutions for that. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is just click on the three dots on our right hand corner and click on the settings. Now this is the options that I am telling you for the Edge browser. You might get the same options or similar options whether you are using the Brave browser, Opera, Chrome. Basically, they are all similar. So click on privacy, search and services. You might see privacy and security. And here we need to find a DNS server, but we couldn't find it. So let's write secure DNS. It will search directly in the settings. If it is set to use current service provider, just make sure to switch it to choose a service provider and make sure to use this Google public DNS server so that you don't face any problem in future. Just close out of here and your issue should be resolved. Just make sure once everything is saved or not by just going back to the settings again, and here is it's all set. Let's try to access the website, and if it is still causing the issue, the second thing that you can try is just changing the date, because as you can notice here down here the date is set to 2022, but we are in some different year. So adjust date and time, and set time automatically is turned off. Just enable this, enable the set time automatically as well, and make sure the date is corrected. And after that, you might need to try or refresh that again, or even close the browser once and open it again. And now whenever you try to access any particular website, it shouldn't cause any problem. As you can see, everything is working perfectly now. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.